This is my iPhone SE first generation. I recently replaced the screen on the iPhone. This is what it had originally. It had a nice crack. And I replaced it with this used screen. It's actually cheaper and easier to buy a parts phone than replace it with actual new LCD. You can see over here you can get a iPhone SE first generation for about $19. They have other places where you can get it a little cheaper. Maybe you might be able to get something for cheaper, but on Amazon it's even more expensive. It's right around 28. Here's one for 27, 30. This is a different iPhone. And so, like I said, I used a parts phone that I bought off of eBay. It only cost me $13. This is the parts phone. I might end up using the battery on this too. But it was just, again, cheaper and even though the screen here has scratches, it's not a perfect screen. I think it might be more reliable since it was the original LCD. These inexpensive LCDs I've purchased in the past, they might have like a, what's it called, bright spots, or dead pixels, or what's it called, just some defects, like the screen might not be that bright, or worse yet, it'll break within a few months. So surprisingly, getting a parts phone might be more ideal for doing a LCD swap. But that's just my opinion. You can talk to a professional. Hopefully, if you take it to an authorized dealer, they can replace it with reliable parts.